Welcome back, guys, to Kids with 3 Sheets. And today we will be making a name Christmas ornament today. Wow. Woohoo! So first you create a new sheet or file. Next you get a polygon. Then get another polygon. Then next you put the polygon a bit down. Next you get another polygon or the polygon you have, then make it smaller. Or you could just duplicate it and then put it in the middle. But you have to align it first so that you make sure it is in the middle. And then turn it into a hole, then turn it together, and then now it should look like a polygon with the inside gone. Then get the script text, then you put your name. It has to be together, like for example, your name, it has to be like CAMDEN. It has to be like together, like this. Like as. And then you can put your name. We duplicate it and then we duplicate it. And then we put it on the corner of one of the polygons. For test, just do ease. And then we just duplicate it. Make sure it's the blue. Make sure it's blue. Then pull it on the corners of the polygon. Then do it minus 60 degrees on the side of the polygon. Then duplicate and repeat. And then until it looks like a snowflake. And then next you get a tube. Make it big. Move that out. And then you have to move it out the way first. So when you move it out the way, then you copy CAMDEN and your name and the blue polygon together. Or the test is. And then you put the ring on. So when you put the ring on, the next step you have to do is align. Or you have to put it on the snowflake. And then next, you will want to get another ring or tube. And then put it together. It has to be hanging on the name. Ding. If it's on the name, then it's good. And then you can group them together. The ring is supposed to hold the Christmas tree spine. Like it's supposed to hold this and then so for example it's supposed to do this. It's supposed to hold this part. I made, and then you can put Tony and Tony 1 if you wanted to. I did put Tony 1 and 2020 on to make something exciting. It was just a step. It was just an extra step if you wanted to use it. You don't need to, but if you wanted to. Okay. Ding. So that is how you make a Christmas winter ornament. Look at this boy. Subscribe. It's white because we have a tree projector that projects snowflakes, and it looks like it's a real snowflake. I'm a villager. Does this look like a snowflake to me? Yeah. Like that. So you can hang it on your tree, or if you wanted to, hang it on your computer.
Subscribe for this new video. We get more subscribers.
Look. Look.
It looks like...
It's also a bit fun to put your hand in there. It's like... If you spin it around, it's a bit funny. I love how it like spins around. So this is what it looks like on the Christmas tree.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a wide open sleigh. Ding, 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 ding.